Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change text case in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. Since there is no direct option to change the case of the text in Google Sheets, the first choice may be to use the Google Docs service, which has this option in the menu. But since we work in Google Sheets, we first need to transfer our data to Google Docs. Select the necessary entries in Google Sheets. You can select the required data range manually by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it down. But if there are a lot of entries, tens or hundreds, it's better to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+down arrow, or select the entire sheet using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A. We copy the selected data using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, then open a new Google Doc document and press Ctrl+V to paste the copied data there. Google Docs will ask you how to paste data with or without a link to a spreadsheet. We'll leave it as it is, in this case it doesn't matter. And how to install this trendy dark theme, watch this video. So select the paste data, go to Format, Text, Capitalization, and there we see three ways in which Google Docs change the text case: lowercase, uppercase, and title case. Select any necessary option to change the case of the text, and then simply copy and paste the data back into Google Sheets. And in Google Sheets, when pasting, select Paste Only Values. This was the first option, you must admit, not the most convenient. And now let's use the functions to change the keys. The first function that we will consider is the lower function. As you may have guessed, it turns all text to lowercase. We enter the equal sign in the cell, then the function itself. Since my data is in the column, I will reference its cells using the lower function in the neighboring empty column. Select cell B2 and press enter. Google Sheets understands what I want to do and offers how to fill. You can agree by clicking on the check mark or do it manually by clicking twice on the cross in the right corner of the cell. Now let's make all the letters big in all the words. That is, we use the upper function. We do the same, enter the upper function, then select the cell that the function will refer to and press enter. And that's how the whole text was converted to uppercase. And if you need to capitalize the first letter in all words, use the proper function. Write the equal sign, enter the proper function, then select cell B2 as in previous cases and press enter, extending the function to the entire column. And as you can see, this is how the text case changes in Google Sheets. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.